farmer. This is your fellow farmer, Joshua Mwenga from Zambia. And today we are going to discuss about soybean farming. Soybean farming is a very lucrative business as it has high return on investment as compared to other crops. Soybeans is used in various forms from animal feeds, bird feed, and human beings. Humans we use in various forms, and of which we cannot discuss here today. We are only going to concentrate on the farming or how you can start planting soybeans. We shall talk about byproducts from soybeans next time. Keep locked to this channel and invite others to subscribe to this channel. Please, I'm requesting you to do that. You invite others and do subscribe to this channel. Help us to grow. Soybeans is a legume crop. This means it produces its seed from the pods, and it also retains soil fertility, and it also fixes nitrogen in the soil. So it's good to regenerate soil fertility where fertility it has where the soil has lost its fertility. On type of soil, you need to select a good and well-drained soil for your soybeans so that nutrients will be able to penetrate to the roots and it will make soybeans to grow well. You need to practice crop rotation. Avoid planting soybeans in the same field you had planted groundnuts because soybeans and groundnuts are in the same family, so they can easily be affected with the same diseases. So you need to crop rotate soybeans and the maize or cereal families, so they can do well. So on land preparation, it is done on time before the rain begins. You need to plow the land. After plowing the land, you need to harrow it using ox-drawn plow and harrow. After harrowing, you make small lines with a spacing of 50 to 75 centimeters between from one line to another line. Then after that, you need to sow your seeds along those lines. After sowing those in those lines, you need to cover your soybean seed with little soil with 2 to 5 centimeters thickness of the soil on top of the seed so that it will be able to germinate. In 1 hectare, you can plant 50 to 70 kg of seed for you. Then after that, you go to weeding. On weeding, there are 2 forms of weeding. There is one chemical and the other one mechanical. On chemical, there are 2 forms of herbicides. There is one non-selective herbicide. This one you use it after planting. You don't use a non-selective herbicide after 3 days of its establishment because it will die. You need to use it before the seeds germinate. Immediately after planting, it will kill anything green on the surface. So then you go to a selective herbicide. The selective herbicide, you use it when the crop is already germinated and growing. It will only target the weeds leaving the crop around. So on the mechanical, you use a hose and also ox-drawn plow where you remove a dish and then the cutter will pass through the lines. Then there is also ox-drawn weeder. It is common in Zambia and in Africa. I want to know much about Zambia. So when do you harvest the soybeans? You harvest soybeans when the leaves on the soybeans turns yellow or completely dropped like this one we are showing.